What's the meaning of Channel 4? Channel 4. Channel 4.
Channel 4. Channel 4. Channel 4 refers to a television broadcasting network in the United Kingdom. It was established in 1982 as a public service broadcaster, with a focus on alternative and culturally diverse programming. The channel is known for its edgy and innovative content, including documentaries, dramas, and comedies, as well as coverage of major events such as the Paralympic Games. Channel 4 has also been at the forefront of technological innovation, particularly in digital broadcasting and online content distribution. Overall, it is a major player in the British media landscape and an important cultural institution.